53 years ago, on the 2nd of December, 1971, a vision became a nation. 7 emirates, 1 flag, and 1 dream. A dream built on unity, leadership, and unshakable belief. From the desert sands to the world's tallest skylines, the UAE has shown the world that impossible is just a word. This nation was founded on values of ambition, tolerance, and innovation. A place where people from more than 200 nationalities live, work, and build their futures together. Today, as we celebrate UAE National Day, we honor the legacy of the founding fathers and the extraordinary journey that transformed a young nation into a global symbol of progress. BSC proudly joins the nation in celebrating the UAE, a land of opportunity, a land that inspires us every single day. Happy 54th UAE National Day.